Manila wasn't supposed to be like this. We arrived in Manila 2 days before the typhoon struck. As we boarded our flight from Bangkok, we were already aware of what awaited us. Nevertheless, we enjoyed a pleasant couple of days exploring Manila's fort, cathedral, Chinatown, and Tagaytay province. Riding a jeepney was an unforgettable experience. Quick note to everyone, I don't have any videos from Tagaytay due to technical issues as I lost them. Thank you for your understanding.
So for Filipinos, we don't know nothing about golf.
We came for Iceland and nature. Manila gave us a typhoon instead. This is our preparation to survive it. But Filipino people made bigger preparation. Authorities organized the evacuation of over 1 million people from areas most at risk, moving families to safer places like schools and community centers. Shops and homes were quickly secured with people stocking up on food and essentials. There was a sense of urgency, but also a plenty of teamwork and care among neighbors.
This is our third day in Manila. The weather is still crazy as you see. Let's go and see how Manila looks like after that.
There was nothing unusual. The streets were empty since we left the hotel early. Despite strong wind, there was no major damage, just some debris and puddles. We will try to visit Chinese style cemetery today if the weather will be nice. I hope we won't have any rain today.
Papa. Right? Oh, thank you. We're heading now to Chinese cemetery, considered to be one of the beautiful cemeteries in Filipinos. These are Chinese cemeteries, and as you see there are a lot of family crypts here, and actually to be buried here it's very expensive, but we saw that there are many scripts that belong not to Chinese families, so I guess you can be buried here if you have enough of money. As I said, there are buried not only Chinese people, as you see here the name of Pablo Byron, sir. Everyone can be buried here if you have money. Wow. Brother Tikray!
Welcome to Slums!
Close-sick!
not to film here. I did it quietly. This is real Manila.
Oh.
Give me money, euro.
I don't understand you. Hello. Just looking around.
North Cemetery is one of the largest and oldest burial grounds in Manila. It's not just a place for graves. Many families actually live within its walls, turning mausoleums and tombs into makeshift homes. The atmosphere is a striking blend of daily life and remembrance. Visiting the cemetery can be dangerous because some areas are poorly lit and not regularly patrolled. There have been reports of petty crimes and theft, and the maze-like layout can make it easy for visitors to get lost. It's always best to exercise caution and, if possible, avoid wandering alone or after dark.
Hi.
Where you from?
Lithuania.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Lithuania.
What?
Lithuania.
America?
Europe.
Europe?
Northern Europe.
Give me money, euro.
Why? Hello. Give me money. Koks skonis?
Nu toks yra su rūgštele, bet šiaip, toks neutralus. Neutraliai rūgštus. Toks yra.
Ir geriame šiką kažkokius agurkus. Agurkų medžio vaisius.
Jo, agurkų medžio vaisiai.
Filipinietiškų.
Paragauk.
Paragauk. Gerai reakcija.
Bet šiaip skanu. Kokteilis skanus.
Gerai. Welcome into Vinanda, Chinatown. And behind me you can see the biggest gate in the world.